Remember, if you consider the available time as limited time, it only leads to stress, anxiety, and even panic attacks. However, if you consider the available time as bonus time, it leads to a sense of excitement and enthusiasm. And you all have a choice on how to perceive the available time, and that's going to make all the difference. Hi, hope you guys are all doing fantastic. As NEET MDS 2022 exam date has been made official, 2nd May 2022, we're coming up with 2-month schedule for your benefit. So if you're planning either revision or if you're planning to start your preparation, at least now, those who have completed your internship very late, you can check out this schedule. So as you can see, we're coming up with this new 2-month schedule. So we have divided all the subjects into 3 parts. And we have termed them as phases, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 because you can allot these subjects in a particular time frame, or you can try to fit them in a particular time frame. So phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, as you can see, phase 1 starts from March 1st to March 20th, and phase 2 starts from March 21st to April 10th, and phase 3 April 11th to April 30th, which means if you carefully observe, you'll be getting on an average 20 days for the respective phase. And in each phase, we have around 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 subjects. So on an average, for all the subjects, you'll be getting a minimum of 2 to 3 days. Even if you start your preparation at least now, even if you're planning your complete revision starting from now, you're going to get 2 to 3 days for each subject on an average. Many of you might perceive this as limited time, but if you have that in mind, it only leads to stress and anxiety, including panic attacks, as some of you have been mentioning on YouTube and also through mails. However, if you consider this as bonus time, and all you would perceive is excitement, all you would perceive is positivity, because this is not just your second chance, this is your superb chance, right? So in phase 1, as you can see, we have the following subjects. So we added dental materials along with clinical subjects. So you can complete phase 1 by March 20th. And in phase 2, which starts from March 21st, you have the following basic as well as clinical subjects: general path, micro, pharma, general medicine, general surgery, anatomy and oral surgery. And finally in phase 3, you have dental anatomy and oral histology, oral path and medicine, oral radiology, biochemistry and physiology. So a combination of basic and clinical subjects. And for your information, we're launching a special batch with the same schedule, and in case of special batch, you'll be getting access to all these tests in these respective phases, in these respective timelines, and all tests will be uploaded to your test series as per this latest 2-month schedule, those who are planning to join our special batch, right? So I hope this schedule is helpful. You can check it out, you can customize it as per your needs, and if you need any further assistance or you need any further guidance, feel free to contact us through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com 24/7. And regarding grant tests, all grant tests will be uploaded as per a separate grant test schedule starting from March 1st week.